In this video, I will show you how to add a photo on a video in Capcut. So the first step is to simply open Capcut and then simply open your project or create a new one. So I'm gonna create a new one. Then I'm gonna choose my video. This will be the video that I'm gonna use for this tutorial. So as you can see right here. Now let's say I want to add a photo over it. So what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on overlay right here, as you can see. And then the next step is to simply tap on add overlay. And then you're gonna have to simply tap on photos and then simply choose your images. So you can select multiple at once, but I'm gonna choose only one. And as you can see, we have our photo over the video. And as you can see, we can move it around. So if you want, you can also resize it. You're gonna have to use 2 fingers for this. And as you can see here, you have animations, so you can split this, you can delete this, you can retouch, you can remove the background, so you can play around with the settings, so you can basically edit the photo if you want. And if you want, as you can see, by default this will be 3 seconds long. So if you want to make this longer, simply tap on it and then simply drag it like this, and you can make it longer. Now if we play the video, as you can see, we have the image right here. So let me turn down the volume. And basically this will play, as you can see right here. So that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.